Hey guys, so today in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to get Dolphin Emulator for iPhone. So this is going to be no jailbreak version. As you can see, fully works. So let's get down dirty into the video. This is not requiring a computer. You can play all the games, as you can see. It's really cool. So if you're broke and you can't afford a computer, guys, there is no need to cry. Also, you don't need an Android either, because a lot of people only own one type of phone. So I'm going to show you how to get it. So go to matrixmods.com, and there it is, guys, Dolphin Emulator. Press on it, press download, and that is literally all you have to do. It will download straight on your phone, no computer needed. Now, there is one more thing that will happen, though. There is going to be a verification, so don't cry. It's easy. You just have to download 2 apps from the App Store, and then you'll be verified. So, as you can see, it says almost there. Additional files are required. So what we have to do is download 2 of these apps, which are all from the App Store, and then we'll be verified. So like DraftKings Casino says I gotta search something up. Then we got Mode Word Winner, most of these are like search something on the App Store, download it, and open it. That's all you have to do. But guys, I do live in the US, so I want to let you know that if you live in another country, the apps are not going to be on the same level. You're going to see probably apps that are in different countries, so I cannot speak about those because I don't know which ones you're going to get. I live in the USA. I got the apps that are on the page right here. Just a bunch of dumb apps, but it is very crucial that you complete the verification process if you want to get Dolphin Emulator on your phone, because if you do not do it, Dolphin Emulator will not install. You'll be stuck with a bunch of apps on your phone that you cannot use because you didn't follow the instructions. So I'm going to see you guys later, but that's how to get the Dolphin Emulator for your phone, guys. Really cool, as you can see all the apps. So yeah, if you guys are sad and you're just depressed, now you can actually run your favorite games with this app. No jailbreak, and yeah, it's super cool, guys. So I'm going to see you in another video, and peace out, my crew.